Okay, right friends, let us continue our subject, that is modern Indian history, which is very important for your UPSC civil service examination prelims as well as for mains. So in the previous video we discussed about the advent of Europeans into India. I give you some example of the spices. Now these Europeans are also interested in Indian textiles. So in this video I am going to discuss about Indian textiles. So this is very important, and areas are also very important. Now you will be shocked after knowing this. Till later half of 18th century, India was the biggest producer of textile. As well as biggest exporter of the textile. So later half of 18th century, India was biggest. This is very important. India was biggest producer as well as biggest exporter of textile of world. Or roughly I can say that 20% of Indian textile export to various countries. So this is very important. So around 20% of world textile is only came from India. Now it was only after the 18th century. Now you know very well what happened after 18th century. Now after 18th century, this India was replaced by Britain. And you know very well the reason. What was the reason behind India was replaced by Britain? Because of the Industrial Revolution, and this Industrial Revolution was nothing but a textile revolution. So I am writing here, it's very important. After 18th century, so this is very important. After 18th century, India was replaced by Britain. And why India was replaced by Britain? The main reason is Industrial Revolution. So this is very important. Now being as an Indian, you will feel proud that before the 19th century, means the later half of the 18th century, India was the biggest producer as well as the biggest exporter of the textile in the world. Fine. Now since we are preparing for the UPSC civil service examination, so let us discuss some important textiles, and I am going to discuss the first one is calicus. This is very important. CALICOES, calicus. This is usually a white color cotton. This calicus is nothing but, this is white, WHITE, white colored cotton. This is white colored cotton. This was a very huge demand in Europe. Now for UPSC, what is important? Important is areas. So UPSC may ask the areas for calicus. So area are very important. So first area is nothing but your Bengal. First one is your Bengal, and second area is nothing but your Gujarat. Now this calicus name is not given by the Indians. This calicus is a name given by the Europeans. So European gave this white colored cotton name calicus. So in UPSC prelims this question may be asked during the or they can ask like this: after the 18th century, calicus was very famous in 18th century, or during the 18th century. They may ask like this: during the 18th century, calicus was very famous in Europe, but it was produced in the which of the following area of India. So you have to click either Gujarat or Bengal or both. So you have to see the options. Fine. So these areas are very, very important for your prelims. Now Calicus is clear. After Calicus is nothing but your Indian chinch. Indian chinch. So this Indian chinch is basically a printed cotton. This is, or you can say that a printed textile. This is printed textile. Now Indians weaver, what they are basically doing, they are just printing the designs, and usually that time they are printing the designs of Indian god and goddess. Now why European wants, they doesn't want na, why they will want Indian god goddess pictures in the textiles? So what Europeans did that time, they give their own designs. So this Indian chinch, for this Indian chinch textile, this European gives own design. They give their own design. So areas are very, very important. So for this, the areas are, Coromandel area. Areas are Coromandel area. And you will be shocked after knowing this, Europeans was also having a problem, or still having a problem of pronouncing this word Coromandel. So that's why they are having problem of speaking this word. So this word was replaced by Carnatic. So this Coromandel area or Carnatic are nothing but they are the coastal areas of the Tamil Nadu and the coastal area of the Andhra Pradesh. And the other important area is Awadh. That is Lucknow. Now if you see in your history book, you will find this name. But in some new books, some author are also writing like this, Awadh. So both are correct. This is also correct, this is also correct. Because there is a very less chance of asking this part in mains. So this is only important for your UPSC prelims. So in prelims, you know very well this these things will never matter to you. Spelling will never matter to you. Fine. So Lucknow, L-U-C-K, Lucknow. Fine. Now, next important textile is patola. So this is a very costly Indian textile. So never search alone this word in Google, because if you type simply patola, you will find a link of Guru Randhawa video. So if you want to know about this patola na, so simply what you have to do, simply you have to just type patola textile. And what are the important area? Important area is nothing but the Gujarat. Gujarat is the important area for this Gujarat Surat. Fine. Now next important is muslin, Indian muslin. Now this textile is, you can compare this Indian muslin. It is very soft. And this is soft just like the skin of a snake. So you can compare this Indian muslin with just like, or I am writing here, just like skin of snake. So Indian muslin is also huge demand in the Europe. Now next important is saltpeter. Now this saltpeter is basically a raw material for the gunpowder. So I can say that this saltpeter is nothing but, this is basically a raw material. For gunpowder. And you also know this gunpowder was invented by the Chinese, and it's also came to India after Chinese also came to India. So in this video, I discuss about the keen interest of Europeans into the Indian trades, why they are interested. So I told you first I start with the textiles. In the previous video, I told you about Indian spices. That was very much clear to you. But in this video, I told you about textile. And very important one is this Calicus and Indian chinch. So maybe in the coming year, UPSC may ask question from these two in very important, because these two are the very in huge demand. And you know very well, this Indian Patola is very costly and this is very soft, just like the skin. And we will discuss this further when I will teach you the next lecture, upcoming lectures of the Indian revolts. So I will also teach you this saltpeter. So this is also very important. Fine, I think this is very much clear to you.